So this is the Luxious Auto Puddle Light Kit. Each kit comes with 10 LEDs and a remote control for controlling the flash module, a drill bit so you can compression fit, or you can also drill the proper size for the threaded bolt size to go through. Put it on and just tighten it up to the location you want to mount it to. Once you power them up, the remote control will control on and off. There's different flash modes. Go back to the normal mode. The wires are labeled. This is for your turn signal and reverse. For the reverse mode, once you shift the park into reverse, it will actually trigger a double post. And turn signal, you have left turn and right turn. There's also input for when it comes on when you unlock the door with the floor courtesy light or the key ring. So you just tap into those wires for those. It also has a add a fuse to tap on. And this is the controller right here with the relay. The harness is going to be long enough to run to each side. And then this is going to be a strand for the lights itself. It also comes with the P-taps to complete your installation. So you can tap into the wires. And instructions manual is provided by video. So each kit is $100 shipped. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.